Smartphone Insider here, and today I have for you a big box good. This is the Google Home Hub by Google for integration with our Samsung SmartThings Hub. In this video, I'll be taking you through the unboxing, the initial setup, and some first impressions of this brand new Google Home Hub we picked up at Best Buy on sale for $129.99. Stay tuned. First thing is first. Although the name Hub is the name of this device, don't be fooled. This is not similar to our Samsung SmartThings Hub we installed last week. It does not support Zigbee or Z-Wave devices, only Wi-Fi enabled devices such as our TP-Link LB100 smart Wi-Fi light bulb we set up in an earlier video. If you want to connect your Google Home Hub to a Wi-Fi enabled light bulb or power outlet, you will need to purchase an hub such as the Samsung SmartThings Hub we installed last week, to which you can then connect your Google Home Hub, to which you can then connect a Wi-Fi enabled power outlet or light bulb. For those of you Amazon, Echo with Alexa fans out there, the Google Home Hub is a game changer. Right off the bat, you get access to a 7-inch touchscreen display which Alexa does not have for only $60 more. And even though the Google Home Hub is normally $150, with the new Facebook portal at $150 also, for some reason, I can't help but imagine the price of the Google Home Hub will ever go back to $150. That is to say, I think you should buy this device now for the $129.99 I bought it for. A great price to pay considering the plethora of information and services you get being part of Google's ecosystem. Maps, Play Music, Spotify, Nest, Google Calendar, and YouTube are integrated with the Google Assistant as soon as you turn it on. I am super excited about the multi-room audio functionality of our Google Home Hub, and am happy to see that it works with both Android and iOS. I also expect this Google Home Hub to be fast and responsive, operating over a 2.45 GHz Wi-Fi network. Also, when I use Voice Match for when I use the Google Assistant to look up things like YouTube videos or where the nearest coffee shop is on Google Maps while I'm standing at the kitchen counter or before I head out the door to go to work, I expect this device to be fast and responsive. What's more, this device is stylish. It looks great atop any counter, in your kitchen, home office, or bedroom, and it even comes in black, which the Samsung SmartThings Hub does not. Basically, this is a device that will look great in any environment, whether that environment be modern, industrial, commercial, or standard. It's a 7-inch touchscreen display with 2 far-field microphones and 1 light sensor, so it won't be too bright when I turn the light off or when I go to bed. Our Google Home Hub does not have a front-facing camera, so no video chatting here. I do expect to be able to use Google Voice to make phone calls, however. Now that our Google Home Hub is out of the box, let's begin the initial setup process. The first thing I want working with our Google Home Hub after the initial setup is as follows. Our TP-Link LB100 smart light bulb, so let's be sure to begin with step 1 if we want our light bulb to work. Step 1. Power on the device. Find a place in your home where the Google Home Hub is accessible to everyone. In the kitchen is where I prefer to have it, but you may want it elsewhere. We think the kitchen is the perfect place. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instructions. It will take about 5 minutes to set up, but that's mostly because Google includes a welcome video to show off the features of the Google Home Hub, mainly what you can use it for, etc. Step 3. Once everything is set up, this is after you've selected a wallpaper, established your home address, and more, you'll want to click on the plus icon in the top right-hand corner, select Setup Device, select Have Something Already Set Up, and then search for Samsung Smart Home, sign into your account, and then search for your Samsung SmartThings Hub. Once our Google Home Hub recognizes our Samsung SmartThings Hub, we can now connect our light bulb. Step 4. Using the same process as the one above, search for TP-Link, sign into your account, and then go back to the home screen. If this process seems complicated, that's because it is. The hardest part about setting up a smart home is the amount of accounts, usernames, and passwords you must remember to connect devices and services. But it isn't as intimidating as you think. It just requires you write things down. So take the time to do that now. Step 4. Continued. Go back to the home screen, select Add in the top right-hand corner, click on Set Up Device, click on Set Up New Devices, select Our Home, click Next, and Google Home will look for devices. Basically, since earlier we linked our accounts, it can now find our TP-Link LB100 smart Wi-Fi light bulb. So we connected our Samsung SmartThings hub to our Google Home hub by signing into our Samsung SmartThings account. We connected our TP-Link LB100 using the same process, and we did it in under 15 minutes. Some things that I wish were different about the Google Home hub is that I wish it was battery operated and that you could place it anywhere in the home at any given moment without having to have it plugged in. It would be awesome if I could carry it outside to my back patio or into my office where I could play it on my desk and then bring it back into the kitchen later to charge. I do love how fast Google Assistant is with processing commands, such as looking up how to make pizza on YouTube, locating coffee shops, giving me directions to movie theaters and more, and I found the screen to be just bright and colorful enough for everything else in between. The ambient lighting feature is also helpful if the environment is dark, though I thought the screen was a tad on the yellow side when it dimmed down. The Google Home Hub is a fantastic buy this holiday season. It bests Amazon's Echo with Alexa with its 7-inch screen and offers services through Google not found on the Facebook portal, such as close integration with Google Maps and YouTube. My name is John. The Google Home Hub is a big box good, and you're watching Smartphone Insider.